Hello friends, welcome back, and if you are new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. So let's start off with my beautiful pin strip calathea. See how tall it has become, and although a few leaves have burnt, that's the new shoot that it has given. Now if I separate, this can be a new plant again, but I am not going to do that right now. Now if you are a plant lover, you can always add this particular plant to your living space. It is going to enhance the beauty. It's a beautiful plant. Actually, it is better to grow this plant in a shady spot because the leaves get burnt easily. See. Now moving on to my beautiful vibrant Aglaonema lipstick. Look at it. Oh my god, you look gorgeous. Look at the leaves. Now I'm delaying, but I think I should not delay further. I should remove at least one plant from this particular pot as safety measure, because if the pot is stolen, then my plant will be gone. Now that's my Manjula pothos doing well. Look at the variegation in the leaves. This is what I love, and the leaves are a plump sort of shape. Look at it, a roundish. This is one of the money plant, or one of the pothos that I have in my collection. Now moving on to my beautiful Hoya, the first ever Hoya in my collection. I think it's the Hoya Crimson Queen, if I'm not wrong. I forget the name, as this plant is new in my collection. And look at the pink tiny leaf there. This is how it is doing right now. I am enjoying the beauty of the leaves, and when it flowers, then I'm going to enjoy the beauty of the flowers. Right now it's beautiful, it's making me happy, and I love admiring this particular plant of mine. Now let's move on to our Philodendron Brazil, which is again my all-time favorite. I just love the different shades of green the leaves have. Look at it. Lime green, green, grass green. I think an artist will be able to tell how many shades of green makes each leaf of this particular plant. I just love it. Look at it. Now let's move on to my teeny tiny burro's tail. The leaves had dropped and it is giving new babies. Look at the leaves. Already 3-4 leaves have developed. How cute they look. This is the joy of growing succulent. Another joy of growing succulent is when suddenly the leaves turn colorful like the flowers. Look at my sedum. The exposure to the sunlight has turned it so beautiful and so colorful. It is yet to color. The whole plant is going to turn dusty pink, I think in about a month's time. This plant is quite an old one. It has been with me for about I think 3-4 years. You can guess that looking at the stems. See how bare it has become. But I love it. Look at the change in the color. This is why every year my succulent keeps dying, but every year I keep buying. Look at it. How pretty, how beautiful she looks. Now this particular chap, hens and chicks, this too is changing the color. It was just green and now slightly I can see some splashes of color here and there. So thank you my friends for staying till the end. If you all have found the video interesting, to give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members. If you are new to our channel, do consider subscribing and stay tuned for interesting videos. So till we meet again, be happy, be safe, bye bye.